If you're an athlete and need more hydration, listen up. I wish these would have been around when I was an athlete in college, but especially when I was an athlete when I was little, because little kids just like don't drink water, you know, not very hydrated. But these are 2 little tablets that literally taste like sweet tarts. They are hydration and liver aid. They are really, really tasty. They don't taste like vitamins at all, so super easy to get your kids to eat. As you can see, there's very minimal ingredients, which I really like. When there's something with a lot of ingredients, you know, that just, it doesn't always seem very trustworthy. But as you can see, sugar-free, low-carb, vegan, olive, gluten-free. Love that for me. Just really good ingredients. But because of the hydration and the liver aid, these are just great for everyone, especially adults that like to have a good little adult time, if you know what I mean, with the adult beverages. So go ahead and check these out through my Amazon link, and I will have the code listed below. Reminder, the code only lasts 30 days through Amazon, so go ahead and stock up on them now. These would be great little stocking stuffers for your friends or for your family, and just really good things for you to have in your pantry. So go ahead and do that before that link expires.